Yeah, I cooked that.
Oh, hell
Hey, what's up,
no.
Aunt Bertha?
And I look just like your big ass Aunt Pam.
To her.
I'm sorry, Miss Bertha.
Apologize to her.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I'm sorry, ma'am.
He see his mother in me.
What's that?
Look, she's pretty.
Hey, take your glasses off so I can see your beautiful features.
Why would I say if I take my glasses off, I can't see nothing?
Out of all colors, why you get the blue lipstick?
No sleep.
Let me see your hand. Show me your hand.
It seems like you don't have a confidence.
Yes, honey.
Bro. What Charles is?
He at your goddamn mama house. So y'all lesbians.
Huh?
I can't put down the cup.
That was yeah.
I can't put down the cup. I can't put down the cup. I can't.
We be eating that pussy.
I like girls and guys.
I like good girl.
Y'all.
Yeah. If it comes down to
Right
it,
next
yeah.
to each other.
Ass
Same
and
place.
everything.
Ass the coochie.
Oh God.
You ever heard Belt's ass? That'd be us. Belt's ass. Clock it. I'm finna clock that tea.
Mama, what you doing on here?
Looking for me a man.
Huh?
I'm looking for me a man.
Okay, period.
Carry a man.
What? You look like a nice person. You're just an asshole. I'm sorry. Have a nice night.
Hey,
How are you?
living.
Oh my God!
Oh,
You are so sexy.
man,
Bro,
bitch.
how many talkies did you eat, bro?
The same amount you ate.
Nigger.
Yo, motherfucking mom.
Hi, mind you.
Lemon gets me first every time.
Where'd you get your lipstick?
From your grandma's house.
Are you real?
That's a tranny.
Face fuck you, shorty. With the bands like this.
Hey, I got you, bro. Hey, here's my fifth.
I like white boys.
How you doing? You alright? Let me stick it in.
Big mama.
Big. Ursula.
That's not rolls on your ass.
I like your glasses.
Grandma, get off this app.
I'm looking for my grandbaby.
Oh, he on here?
It's she. I'm looking for her. My grandbaby. Ugh.
Oh, Bria.
Hey, you like crab
You hurt me
legs?
in my Ariana Grande shirt on.